Let me get liven it up with
Hey guys, this is your girl Momma SAS here to do another trusted review. Today, I'm reviewing 3 things that I purchased on Amazon.com. They are from Pro Chef Kitchen Tools by Spry Noble. This company is also like awesome because their products, they're so great and sturdy. Like, I don't know, I never had a problem with anything I purchased from this company. Like, their customer service is off the chain. Like, it's amazing. Get it? Okay, the first thing I'm reviewing from Pro Chef Kitchen Tools is this whisk. I purchased this on Amazon.com. Down below is the link. It's very strong. I mean, it's made of stainless steel. Like, dishwasher safe. Like, you can pull it. Nothing. I love their products. There you go. Whip it, whip it, whip it. I'll just give my review over everything after I'm done. I also purchased from them these microfiber. It's 3 in a pack. Microfiber stainless steel or drying cloths. You can use it to shine your stuff. See? Again, I purchased this from Amazon. The next product I have to review is amazing. I purchased this. Sorry, kind of noisy. This kitchen tool caddy is swivels, so you can just get whatever you need. It comes with a noodle thing. A noodle fork. It has a sifter, a soup label, I don't know, it's a spatula though, but it don't have the holes in it, a spoon, and it also has this spatula with the holes. Flipper. This is stainless steel, dishwasher safe. I'm trying to bend it. It will not bend. It's all like one piece of stainless steel. This is high quality, guys. Really high quality. I love it. Like, can't even bend the flipper. The spatula, sorry. And you have this caddy, which you can just hang everything on. And it swivels. See? Again, I purchased this kitchen tool set from Pro Chef Kitchen Tools by Spry Noble on Amazon.com. Down below is the link of everything that I have purchased. Sorry. Of everything I have purchased. I have to say, because of the company's overall customer service and the quality of their products, I have to give this a Momma SAS rating, never seen before, of a 20. I love everything about this company. See you later, tubers. Hit like and subscribe down below.